Hello and welcome back to my channel. I was shocked when I discovered this recipe that I'm about to show you. First, I'll show you all of my ingredients. I have chicken breast, chicken seasoning, garlic powder, roasted garlic, onion powder, corn flour, salt, black pepper, chili powder, extra light tasting olive oil, baking powder, cumin or geera, dye or haldi, salt, yeast, green onions, white onion, garlic, red chili pepper, besan or chickpea flour, all-purpose flour. For the sweet chili mango chutney, I have mango, chili, salt, and sugar. Warm water. Rows of Sharon flowers. I'll add the yeast to the warm water and leave it for 10 minutes. I'm gonna add the chicken breast. I'll add the garlic powder, onion powder, roasted garlic, chicken seasoning, salt, black pepper, chili powder, corn flour. I'll continue cooking this until it's completely cooked. I'll add the chickpea flour to the all-purpose flour, baking powder, geera and dye, salt, and I'll give that a mix. I'll add 1 tablespoon water and I'll blend until smooth. And this is ready. The chicken is finished cooking. I'm gonna leave it to cool down. The chili pepper and garlic, and the yeast. This is finished mixing. I'm going to cover it and leave it for 1 hour. I'll remove the stems from the flowers. sweet chili mango chutney. I have water boiling. To that I'm gonna add the mango and the chili and sugar and salt. Now I'll stuff the flour. I'll rub some olive oil on the parchment paper. The mango is finished cooking. Now I'm going to blend it up. It's an hour now. We're going to fry the flowers. I'm wrapping the flour with the batter. Here is my stuffed Rose of Sharon flowers with chicken and sweet chili mango chutney. Please like and subscribe. I will include the recipe in the description below. Thank you for watching. Stay safe and see you in the next video. Now I'll cut the stuffed flowers to show you the inside.